living area over here. Very big and spacious kitchen. So this is our luxurious master bedroom. As you can see, hello everyone and welcome to Housey. This is Karuna Acharya and today we are here at Royal Heritage by Sipani. Well, like you know, we have come here for the sample flat tours. And we shall together dive into every aspect to see what makes this luxurious flats your dream house. Before that, there is something I want to tell you about Housey. So, Housey is the first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers and developers. With this, you get bottommost price guaranteed. Not just that, I'm sure most of you must have experienced the frustration of making inquiries online only to be hit back with calls from various brokers. But at Housey, since the listings are done directly by the builders, there's no broker who is involved. So you can rest easy and enjoy this beautiful tour and decide that you want to make this your dream house or not. Now let's go and check out our luxurious flats. Okay, so now let's discuss about the project overview of the super luxurious Royal Heritage by Sipani. Well, firstly, this super luxurious project is located in Channapura, Bengaluru. Talking about the land parcel of this particular project is 9.32 acres, consisting of one basement, ground and 14 floors with 14 towers. Variants being 2 and 3 BHK. Now let's talk about the connectivity. Well, the connectivity of the super luxurious project is just 5 minutes to Hosur Road, 15 minutes to Electronic City and 25 minutes to HSR layout. Now let's discuss about the amenities, my favorite part because you get such ultra luxurious amenities that you crave to come and get a flat here. Well, we have clubhouses, gym area, senior citizen park, kids play area, multi-purpose court, sand volleyball court and so on. Okay, so we have finally reached our sample flat for the tour, which is a 3 BHK flat. Come on in. So we have this beautiful foyer entrance which leads us to our luxurious house. As you can see, we have a very beautiful and very spacious living area over here, and right opposite to our living area we have a TV unit where you can place your TV. Also, this area is basically for the balcony, but since this is a sample house, it's just the setup is made, but this area would be for your balcony, overseeing a beautiful scenery and garden. Okay, let's move ahead. So here you can see we have a very big and spacious kitchen. We have a L-shaped slab. As you can see, we have a lot of storage up and even down. We have a lot of storage which can be completely customizable according to your taste and choice. This area can be used as your utility to keep your dishwashers or washing machines. It's completely your choice. And we have a big window here which gives you good light and ventilation for your kitchen. Well, right opposite to our kitchen, we have our dining area. As you can see, we have 4-seater dining table easily accommodated over here. So this is a very nice, cute space for you to have your food right next to your kitchen. Now let's go and check out our beautiful and luxurious bedroom. Before that, first let's check out our common washroom. So this is our common washroom which has anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. We also have a window for good light and ventilation. Now let's go and check out our bedrooms. Okay, so this is our bedroom number 1. Well, although it looks small, but still it's very cozy and has a very comforting feels and vibes. So this is our bedroom number 1, which can be used as your guest room or your kids room. It's completely customizable according to your choice. We have a window here for good light and ventilation. Also, we have this space over here for you to keep your, maybe books or water. And we have a bed, of course, here. And right opposite to the bed, we have this big closet for your storage, and we have a very huge mirror over here which can be used as your dressing area. So this is our room number 1. Now let's go and check out our room number 2. Well, this is our room number 2. Very spacious. We have a lot of space to walk around the bed. We have this table placed across the bed for your decoration purpose or to keep your books or water for drinking. Also, as you can see, we have a window for good light and ventilation, and we have closet for the storage. And this room has an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and of course a window for good light and ventilation. So this is our room number 2. So now let's go and check out our master bedroom, that is room number 3. But before we go to the master bedroom, I want to give you some information about Housey. So in Housey, we give you sample flat tours, actual location tours, 360-degree virtual tours, pros and cons of a particular project, pricing details including EMI and down payment details. After all this, if you like the project, you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is just click on the link in the description box to book your free site visit. Well, don't waste your time and go and book your free site visit now. Now let's go and check out our super luxurious master bedroom. Come on in. So this is our luxurious master bedroom. As you can see, the name says it all, master bedroom. Being the master bedroom, really spacious. You have a lot of space to walk around the bed. There is a table here for you to, for decoration or for you to keep any of your essentials. And we have a TV unit. Right opposite to your bed, we have a TV unit where you can place your TV, sit back, Netflix and chill. And here we have a wardrobe for you to, for your storage, for your essentials to be placed. And we have a attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. We have a window for good light and ventilation, and a mirror of course for you to groom and dress yourself. And we have a window here as well, which will of course give you a lot of good light and ventilation and a lot of good positivity vibes to your room. And one more thing is we have a small room over here which can be used as your storage space, or it can also be made as your balcony. Like I said, this is a sample house. So at now this is just like a room, but this can be customized according to a room or also as a balcony. So this is our super luxurious master bedroom. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour at Royal Heritage by Sipani Properties. Well, if you like the property and you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is register yourself at thehousey.com. Also, if you want the e-brochure of this particular property, you can do that by just clicking on the link given in the description box. Also, if you have any positive or negative feedback regarding the project, the properties, the location, you can let us know by dropping it on the comment section below. And last but certainly not the least, do not forget to subscribe Housey for more such informative videos. Well, I'll see you next time with yet another amazing home tour. Till then, take care and goodbye.
So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sipani Royal Heritage, located in Chandapura Road by Sipani Properties.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.